Bushido.
Yeah.
Joe, good work. Going for the theme.
Should be.
Cassandra?
No.
Oh.
Jerry Simon.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, I can see that. It's begun. It has begun. I think so.
So you did good. You guys get the book on together. Oh, there.
Yeah.
Nice shirt. Nice shirt.
Show and Shine's assembling now. People are starting to roll in.
We have many events to prove your skills. We have ring jousting. We have duel wars to test your might. We have a goblin shoot to protect thine kingdom. And we have a golden adder tournament to protect the test of your courage.
Through the group and
Social media thing, can I just get y'all together real quick for our judges?
absolutely not.
I know.
Concourse judging.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Thank you. All right, concourse judging. Matt, Scale Builders Guild. Nick Eisenhower, Full Size World. Lee from RC Car Action. RC Girl from RC Girl. Haley.
Maybe do that one again.
It'll work out in the edit. Haley, RC Girl. I'll use the audio. Don't worry. Let's get to it. Walk through. Yep. Yep. So themes are, what do we call this? Categories are rock bouncer, trailered, monster truck, military, rust bucket, Proline fan, medieval themed, and concourse overall best in show.
No, it's not.
Matt and I are going to do a walkthrough first, and then convene with the judges and go from there. All right, we've done a walkthrough of the hundreds of trucks. We're going to start narrowing some stuff down. Where I just got shot in the back with a Nerf gun. It was Schultz, I know it. There he is. So many cars. I'm making them pick best of show because it's too difficult. So they've got a few ideas. We've got all the medieval stuff placed in the front, and we've got some of all the other winners chosen. So now we're just wrapping up and trying to get it right now.
That brought the trucks out. This is a gorgeous lineup. There's so many different varieties.
So obviously it was a medieval theme. So these are a bunch of the medieval theme ones. Not all, but almost all. This guy shoots flames out of that. Super dangerous, but awesome. Tarred and feathered. Good deal. Good luck. So RC Girl and Nick Eisenhower are gonna have to pick the medieval theme because Matt, Lee, and I all kind of have some favoritism, and we don't want to be that.
Yeah, whatever you want. I'll do whatever you want.
Paul joined us.
Hey guys, how are you?
Thanks for all you did, Paul.
Yeah, thank you, Paul. Oh yeah.
I'm glad you made it.
Yeah, thank you.
So hot, but judging is all done.
Oh, I won't. Who built that?
He does. How you doing? Yeah.
Wow. That's amazing.
This one actually does pretty well with the rocks.
Oh my god, yes.
I got a video of this. Oh, thank you.
That one I can't get.
Who's
What?
pull your shadow out, Eric?
Oh.
There you go.
Oh. That's cool.
I love it.
Good morning! I am here with Vanquish Products at By The Fire 2022. They make some very high quality aftermarket components, very strong wheels, very durable axial components. We're having a marvelous time, and we hope that you too will join us. Come on out next year to By The Fire 2023 and enjoy some quality Vanquish products.
I wouldn't be mixing with the shift servo. Wouldn't do that, would it?
He was gonna say. No, it shouldn't unless you're. All right, we're gonna go try RC Jousting somewhere. So, got a Bushido about to hit the Jousting. Oh, so like X-Max beadlock rings.
Yeah.
Okay. So they Velcro strap the jousting rod, jousting lance. What did you decide it was called? Awesome.
20.
So Dual Wars, I guess, signed up. I think I'll use the TRX 4000 for this one. My jousting attempt was very poor. Jeff drove Matt's car and did much better. But yeah, that was a very, very poor. Yeah, we get the TRX now for the tabletop, or the duels, whatever they're called, Dual Wars.
You need a crane to put it up there. How many bricks are in it? No bricks.
Not a brick.
Rock.
No.
No, Dimitri? Solid brick. Lithium. No, Dimitri? You can hide a brick in there nice. Want to throw your rig up there? All right. Got your rig, bud. Oh, Josh. Just, you don't even have to hit the gas. Just sit there. All right. What's your name, little guy? Ryan. Don't even use ready? Don't even use Josh. Be nice. Let's see what happens. All right. Ready, Cameron. All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, you're moving reverse a little bit.
I'm sorry.
Oh, there you are.
Now go shake his hand and tell him thank you for ruining your day. Thank you. I'm a very big cheater.
John and Sandra, hi.
Oh God.
John and Sandra?
Terrible.
Yeah, you're up, bud.
Here, how SCX points for me.
I don't like the look of this at all. Get a little dirty. Careful, it might get dirty.
Should I bring? Sorry.
All right, you guys ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
He's a hanger, yeah! This one went down first. That one touched first. Who touched? Can we get like a 4-year-old you can beat up on? Oh, it's like they did that first round. Right back.
Run out of battery.
Really? Well, you know what's going to be him and Richard.
Wow, Josh. Wow.
You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. He's on the ground.
Oh no!
Thank you, Sandra.
Yeah.
And then Richard and Sean. Sean, you still here?
You guys ready?
Wait. Trying to get recorded for the yell again. All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
Good. Wait, four? Years in the making.
Wow.
30-pounder.
You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Get him! Push him off!
Oh,
Reset.
No reverse?
Oh no. Straight ahead.
Oh!
Okay, get
Easy.
him back up. On the corner.
No coaching from the sideline.
One more. Back it up!
Way to take it easy on him.
Nice. Good job, boys. Oh, it's epic.
Dang it. Too much throttle.
Yeah. All right, ready?
You guys ready?
2, 1, go. That was fun. factories here at By The Fire. All custom built. Proline upgrades, Proline wheels, Proline tires. With his rig.
Hey.
All right, and the Proline fan went to Thunder Wessels. Thunder Wessels.
Yeah, Brian. All right, cool. Sweet. Good. Thank you. All right.
The concourse was.
He's over here. To your right. Sweet. Where are you gonna put that? No idea.
Second place was Brian Schuster. Third place was Mike Thompson.
Maybe next time. It's on next time. The rivalry starts. Yeah. Do the boxing style. Yes. Back to the house. We're done. Time to hang out and race more Camtex. Night 2 of Camtech racing. Figure 8 tonight. Opposing directions.
Two, one, go. Again. All right. All right. Who got 12?
Oh, we were doing 12.
Yeah.
I like Josh's idea of one to the left. One to the left. I'm going to set them up, one to the left, and the remote. Nobody's going to know who the fuck is driving.
You don't even know which car it is.
No, you're not going to know which car it is.
Everyone should.